Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be unboxing the new Logitech M100R full-size corded mouse. So I recently bought this on Amazon for about rupees 500, and I actually decided to buy this mouse because I'm tired of changing the batteries on my Apple Magic Mouse. So let's open it. So as you can see here, there's a small tab you can pull for simple opening. Okay, so I managed to get the mouse out. Yeah, so a common problem I've been reading in a lot of the reviews is that the serial number on the mouse and the serial number on the box is not matching. So I'll just quickly check if that's fine. So I just checked if the serial number is right, and then there actually seems to be a difference in the serial number. As you can see here, it ends with KZ S9, but on the mouse it ends with PTC8. So I don't know if this mouse is real or fake, but it seems genuine to me. Like the packaging feels like completely real, and even the mouse feels like the real Logitech mouse. So now I'm going to connect it to my MacBook and see if it's going to work or not. So guys, I've now got my laptop out and I'm going to connect the mouse and see if it's going to work. So bring in the USB port here. And yeah guys, as you can see the pointer moving on the screen. I'm going to click on YouTube. And the page is loaded. I'm scrolling now, but something feels odd about the scroll, and this is like this loud noise, and it doesn't feel like quality. It feels like it's gonna like break anytime soon. So yeah, so that's my review for the Logitech M100R wired mouse. So I don't think I'll be recommending this mouse to anyone anytime soon, or will I be returning it, because I really need a mouse right now, and I don't have the time to wait for another one. So if you guys like this review, please like and subscribe and share this video. See you until the next video.